I'm Michelle Lee, and I'm a spiritual mentor and a women's empowerment coach. And I found Marcy, probably 5 years ago from a friend who had coached with Marcy. And recently, just a little over a year ago, I started coaching with Marcy and was introduced to the sacred plant medicines. And I had dabbled in learning more and more about plant medicine and had listened to Marcy talk about it and discovered that if I were to ever do any kind of medicine, it would have to be with Marcy Locke. She is so incredibly attentive, loving, accepting, nurturing, and just right there present in every moment. And feeling so loved and so safe, because I was pretty trepidatious about doing any kind of medicine. I've never had any experiences like that before, and so I had a lot of fear come up in my system and in my emotions about taking this kind of a journey. And Marcy has been right there with me all along, talking me through those fears, transmuting those emotions into true power. And in my experience, I have transformed. I am liberated from fear. I can truly say I know myself and how I am here to serve as a result of doing the plant medicine with Marcy Locke. And if anyone is on the fence of doing plant medicine, I say with Marcy Locke, I brought my own daughter with me to this experience. I wouldn't trust anyone else with this kind of experience except for Marcy, because she is a true shaman. She understands the medicine. She walks her talk. She has lived it and is a beautiful, wise guide through the transformation.